Advancements in modern technology and innovation have significantly simplified our lives. These breakthroughs have led to the creation of fascinating and distinctive gadgets that are readily available on Amazon. In today's video, we've curated a list of remarkable Amazon gadgets to showcase. Let's get started. In a fascinating 2014 study, it was unveiled that there are now more electronic devices than people on our planet. It feels like the dawn of the machines is upon us. Simultaneously, compact routers have seen continuous improvement. The latest models can deliver lightning-fast internet speeds of up to 8 gigabits per second, even on a moving train. These routers boast the impressive capability to connect up to 32 devices simultaneously, making them more than sufficient for an entire train carriage. The Wi-Fi coverage extends to a remarkable 95 square meters. Furthermore, this router is compatible with most 5G and 4G mobile operators, and setting it up is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly 2.8-inch LCD touchscreen. Markets, coffee shops, and places brimming with tempting treats often become magnets for flies. However, traditional methods like fly swatters, sticky tape, or sprays don't always do the trick. Here's a novel defense system against flies. Battery-powered fans. These fans require only 2 AA batteries to repel insects without harming them. This means there's no risk of flies landing on your freshly baked goods or vegetables. The secret to their effectiveness lies in the innovative holographic pattern on the fan blades, which irritates insects. Moreover, the blades are soft and automatically stop spinning if touched. Another intriguing product in the spotlight is this inflatable lamp, specially designed for camping enthusiasts. The designers have left no stone unturned when it comes to the details. This lamp easily attaches using the built-in magnet and loop, and its brightness is adjustable for your convenience. Plus, it can be powered conveniently via USB. What's truly remarkable is its compact size. Even the extra-large version, measuring 86 centimeters and weighing just 113 grams, can fit in the palm of your hand when folded. The primary material used is TPU, commonly found in inflatable boats, which makes the light not only waterproof but also easy to inflate and deflate. In 2021, the European electric bike market boasted a value of approximately $9 billion, surpassing Monaco's GDP. Despite the popularity of electric bikes, challenges remain. They can be expensive, and many individuals are hesitant to part with their beloved traditional bicycles. Enter the ideal solution: a 2-in-1 conversion kit. This comprehensive kit includes a rear-wheel hub motor, a battery, and all the essential installation components. With wheel sizes available ranging from 20 to 29 inches and power levels reaching up to 1,500 watts, you can effortlessly infuse speed into your urban or road bike. The additional weight is approximately 11 kilograms, and charging takes around 4.5 hours. Installation is relatively straightforward. Modified electric bicycles are highly sought after by thieves, as evidenced by the staggering number of theft reports in Germany alone, with 234,000 recorded in 2021. This smart chain lock is the world's first of its kind and is sure to attract numerous buyers. Crafted with manganese steel, it can withstand tensile forces of up to 9.5 kilonewtons, equivalent to the force produced by certain tractors. Additionally, it's resistant to common tools used by thieves, such as bolt cutters, crowbars, hacksaws, and hammers. The smart features of this lock include Bluetooth connectivity, a 110 decibel alarm, louder than a helicopter, the convenience of unlocking from a smartphone or a key fob, and the ability to grant bike access to your friends directly through your smartphone. Air conditioner designers are rolling out innovative options for their customers. This compact device offers a hassle-free installation process, taking just a few minutes, whether you choose to install it horizontally or vertically. What's more, it operates silently and doesn't generate any noise, dust, or dirt. It covers a temperature range from 16 to 30 degrees Celsius, ensuring it can keep you comfortable, even during the winter months. You also have the option to select from 2 airflow speeds. The basic model is remarkably quiet, with a noise level of just 42 decibels. Plus, it's conveniently lightweight, weighing approximately 8 kilograms, making it easy to move between rooms. Gerber Legendary Blades has been serving since 1939 and has grown to become the largest manufacturer of knives for the U.S. military. This multi-tool includes a 640mm blade, scissors, various screwdrivers, a pry bar, a bottle opener, and a hammer. The tools are expertly crafted from stainless steel, while the handle features textured anodized aluminum for a comfortable grip. This pocket-sized multi-tool not only provides functionality, but also allows you to express your style with multiple color options available, ranging from black to orange. If you're a frequent runner or cyclist, you're likely well aware of the importance of staying hydrated by drinking water every 15 to 20 minutes. However, carrying water bottles in your hand can be uncomfortable, backpacks can be cumbersome, and attaching bottles to your bike isn't always convenient. Fortunately, there's a solution. This vest allows you to carry water without compromising on comfort. It weighs approximately 300 grams and has the capacity to hold two 700-gram bottles. Additionally, it features 4 pockets located on the chest and shoulders, enabling you to store essentials such as your keys, smartphone, energy gels, and more. The vest fits snugly and doesn't hinder your movements, even during long distances. It's exceptionally adept at vacuuming up both large and small debris, as well as spraying cleaning solution and washing the floor. With 85 watts of power, cordless convenience, and a weight of just about 2 kilograms, it's truly impressive. Additionally, it features a built-in light, magnetic charging, and eliminates the need to touch dust containers. All the debris is collected in a single pad, which can be easily replaced in just a couple of moves. This device tackles street dirt, hair, and stubborn food particles with ease. It's suitable for various floor types, including laminate, parquet, marble, wood, and more, thanks to different cleaning solutions. Even politicians find enjoyment in pen tricks. Take Donald Trump, for instance, who once effortlessly caught a pen in mid-air and used it to leave his autograph. But if you're not as skilled with your hands, we have an alternative option for you: a levitating and spinning pen. This pen provides a relaxing and calming experience, allowing you to focus and then write something brilliant. The pen is crafted from either aluminum or titanium and requires no wires, batteries, or additional accessories. Refills are readily available at your nearest stationery store. For a touch of personalization, the seller offers a choice of 4 pen colors and 2 holder colors. The United States was once the leader in both cat and dog populations, with dogs alone numbering nearly 76 million. But how can you make your pet's walks more enjoyable? Marketers believe this bottle with detachable bowls for water and snacks will come in handy. With a capacity of 1 liter, it provides enough liquid for both the dog and its owner. The bottle features a unique pour-shaped handle for easy carrying and comes in 5 different colors. So, that was our list of cool gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful.